Hi everyone, Tofata here from Lusigarats with another video teaching you how to speak Setswana. Today's topic is modes of transport. Modes of transport. This is my son's favorite topic because he likes to ride all of them and wants to make it usually a weekend exercise to make sure we ride all of them. But I thought I'll teach you how to say some of these modes of transport in Setswana. So buckle up, seatbelt ready, and let's get started. The first one is basi. 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 Some people say bisi. Bisi. You want to guess which one that is? It's a bus. It's a bus. And then a car, koloi, koloi, koloi. That's a car. That's a car. So palama koloi means get in the car or ride a car, or palama basi. Palama is ride or being inside. Ride a bus. Ke palama basi. Ke palama koloi. You might also get on a motorbike. Motorbike. Sikuta. I think that's actually might be a brand. But anyway, Sikuta. Sikuta is motorbike. There's no tuk-tuks in Botswana, but we have motorbikes. Sikuta. You might get on a train. Train. Terena. Terena. Terena is train. You might get on a tractor if you're at a farm, you're doing your thing. Terekere, terekere, terekere is tractor. You might ride a bicycle. Bicycle. That one's a very borrowed word. Bicycle. Bicycle. Bicycle is a robeje, yeah? Bicycle is bicycle. You might get on a boat, a little boat. Mokoro, mokoro. So that is little boat. You might get on a ship. Sikepe, sikepe, sikepe is ship. Airplane, sefofane. Sefofane, airplane. Donkey cart. Donkey cart? Have you ever been on a donkey cart? I'm not sure if they use the same word for a horse cart or horse and carriage. I don't know. But a donkey cart sounds like sports car if you're literally translating it, because it's sekotsekara. Sekotsekara. Sekotsekara is donkey cart. It sounds like sports car. Sports car. And I'm like, is it a way that they were like, this is as fast as a sports car? But anyway, the crazy things that come out of my head. Hey, those are all riding things. You might just go for a walk. Walk. Tsamaya kadi now. Tsamaya kadi now means on your 2 feet. That's another mode of transportation, of getting you from point A to point B. You might run. Tabuch. You might run, which is still part of using your 2 feet as modes of transport. So the new vocabulary: base, koloi, sikuta, terekere, terena, sekepe, mokoro, sefofane, sekotsekara, bicycle. You're set! Now you have to use those in a sentence. Ke palama blah. Ke palama bicycle. I'm riding my bicycle. Ke palama sefofane. I'm going somewhere far away. Ke palama sefofane. I'm getting on a plane. Ke palama mokoro. I am getting on. You might say, I love My 10-year-old loves trains. Que rata terrena, que rata di terrena. Let me know what else you would like to say, and I might be able to help you translate it into Setswana. Thank you for joining me for this video. Until next time, bye!